In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Binance Coin or BNB quickly and easily. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step so you can get started right away. First things first, you'll want to grab your smartphone and open the Binance app. If you haven't already done so, make sure you log in with your credentials. This app is your gateway to purchasing BNB and many other cryptocurrencies, so having it readily available on your device is essential. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Add Funds. Tap on that and you'll see a few selections pop up. Choose Buy with Currency, which is also referred to as Buy Crypto. This option allows you to add funds directly from your local currency, making the process as seamless as possible. Now it's time to select the currency you'd like to purchase, which in this case is BNB. Along with selecting BNB, you'll also need to choose your preferred payment method. Whether it's using a credit or debit card, a bank transfer, or a peer-to-peer option, Binance provides flexibility to cater to what you find most convenient. This could depend on various factors such as transaction fees, speed, or even availability, so consider what works best for you. Once you have selected BNB and your payment method, you will need to input the amount you'd like to purchase. Think about how many BNB coins you want or how much money you're able to spend. After you have entered the appropriate amount, tap on Preview Order. This feature allows you to double check the details to ensure everything looks right before finalizing the transaction. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Place Order. This is your last step before purchasing, so make sure you are confident in your choices. Once you place the order, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the payment. Each payment method might have its own set of instructions, but don't worry, the app will guide you smoothly through this process. After you finish the payment, your Binance coin will automatically appear in your Spot wallet. The Spot wallet is where all your crypto assets are stored within the app. It's a good practice to verify that your newly purchased BNB coins are there and ready for whatever next step you plan to take in your cryptocurrency journey. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of Binance Coin and you've done it quickly and efficiently. This straightforward process ensures that even those new to cryptocurrency can buy BNB without any hassle. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.